G'day everybody, Gate. Hope you're all really well. Markets are moving. Bitcoin's headed towards 14,000. Got really close just a moment ago. What's the high there? 13,847. Now I probably look a little bit flustered, a little bit red-faced. Mate, it's been a big morning. Whew, yeah, a lot of trading activity this morning. And I just want to point you in the direct, or sort of point you in sort of what I'm looking at the moment. Of course, we saw last night Bitcoin, for me, later in the evening, do a run, pull back in. Now, for those of you that have done the Cradle course, part 3. Yep, that's 3. Strange 3, but it's 3. You know, one of the things that I want you to understand is this: that's a trade. That's a profit. Are you following those rules? The opportunities are presenting themselves. On the 15th, we've now got some convergence, a pullback into the cradle zone. Sure, opportunity. So I am watching Bitcoin today as we do start to see Bitcoin's momentum to the upside pick up. I am making sure I'm keeping a very close eye on it. I'm more than happy because Bitcoin's got the most liquidity. It's very, you know, you're going to get filled more times than you're not, right? It's the big dog. So I'm happy to be down to the 15. I'm happy to be trading the 15. I'm happy to go to the 5, but not so much for cradles. It's another one of the trading strategies that I employ, boosters, and that was my profit this morning through here. So opportunities, certainly, eyes open, always. We've got a good looking trend here. We've got a strong looking Bitcoin. 14,000 is a bit of a magnetic number where a lot of people are talking about if we can break 14,000, we can go to 20,000. Hey, we could do. We could reject it. I don't know. But 14,000 is a number, the talk of the town, on the tip of the tongue. So there's a high probability that we'll get there at some point. So I'm looking for longs into that level. Another one that was in here yesterday as well is DOT. Check it out. Yeah, right. High or low. Boom. Back into that cradle zone. Right there. Happy. Right. It's not got, I want to see a bit more bullish than that. If it closes a little bit higher up this candle, mamma mia. Bit of pasta, tomato sauce on top, spin it round, just a bit of olive oil, maybe some olives, and you've got a magnificent little dish right there. That's the sort of thing I'm looking for. Okay, next on the radar is good old Filecoin. Now, I'm spewing I didn't get that, but what have we got today? More movement, more momentum. Look at this cyclicity, yeah? Bingo, boof, off we go. Let's go low. I don't know if we're going to get, 30's good as gold as well. Give me a pullback into this region. Follow them rules. They work. They're there for a reason. Don't move away from those wonderful little rules that I've got there for you, innit? So the 1 hour, the 30, potentially even the 4 hour here, but it's the 1 hour and the 30 for cradles pulling back into that zone, and I'm looking to be a long man. I want to be long. Litecoin. Now, what have we got? 1 hour. Let's suss this puppy out. 59. I want to have a quick look at this daily time frame. Let me just blow this up a little bit bigger. Large. Larger. Right. Full screen. There we go. The daily. Yeah, righto. We pushed on, so that's fine. The 4 hour next. Higher low. Pushing on. Yep. Okay. And a little bit through 59-ish. 59.50. But a pullback into that region, if the moving averages can catch up, yeah, I'll dig it. I'll be on that. You know, I'll be keeping a pretty close eye on that. CRV, lovely looking chart here. Look at this, cycling through marvelously well. Look at this again, guys. Check it out. This is not rocket science. Back into the cradle, bullish candle in the cradle zone, ticking the boxes like we did last week. It's exactly the same. No difference. There it is. Back into an old level. Look, it's a 50-cent round number. Let's have a look at what that level was for me and when that was a level, or if it was not nothing at all. It looks like it's a very random line in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, it does. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't really matter because the trend is beautiful here. 30-minute cradle. There is profit there for you and me. I'm waiting for pullbacks again. Same thing. Repeat the strategy. When you get good trends, you get good opportunities. Here's a short that I'm looking at. If that candle closes bearish, well, look, lower high, lower low. We're trying to replicate this little thing here and this one here. Move down, bang in, move down. We're convergent, little bearish candle, move down. Arguably, you might even be shorting on that because that is quite bearish, but if you're not there yet, that'll come with time. So we're short on uni, and had this in our list yesterday as well. I'm just going to see, is there any... No, I'm going to take that out of my list today. It doesn't quite have a good enough trend. So some really great options available, guys. Oh my goodness. Have a glass of water, take a big deep breath, because it's on. Oh, it's on. It's time to get your hands dirty. tradercobb.com/gate.io. Register. The next page shows you the 3-part series thus far. Part 4 next week. Live scan tonight. Boo! Get in. It's time for you to make some money. Because I tell you what, pretty pumped about what this is doing at the moment. Lots of opportunity. And we like that. Take it easy. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.